Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA and also a key area of support at around the $0.39455 mark, which are both acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this white target area, in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.36702 mark. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 in that low, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And by first giving you a measure from that low, you can see that the market at the time of this recording is up by more than 10.64%, which is a very nice bounce to the upper side. And there is a high likelihood that we are going to continue unlocking higher prices, see a break above the high that we made at around the $0.42038 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then my next target area here on the charts will be at around the $0.45 mark, where we will be facing a key area of resistance before we can expect a retest once we manage to break above that key area of resistance, before we can continue gearing even higher to the upper side, and also giving you the target area to the upper side of the short-term movement that I'm expecting here on the Agix chart using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.86431 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. But before we get to that target area, there are key areas that you need to continue watching over here, and the first one that I've given you is the resistance area at around the $0.45 mark, and the moment you manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing even further to break above the significant high at around the $0.5 mark, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 69 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.